Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to delete form submissions in Jotform, whether you're managing customer feedback, survey responses, or registration data. Knowing how to remove unwanted or outdated submissions keeps your workspace organized and your data clean. Also, if you're interested in business tools that could improve your workflow, I've dropped a few links in the description down below. To get started, open your web browser and navigate to jotform.com. Once the page loads, you'll need to log in using your credentials. Enter your email address and password to access your Jotform account. This will bring you to your main dashboard where all your forms and submissions are managed. Now, at the upper left corner of the page, look for the option labeled My Workspace and click on it. This section serves as your central hub for managing all your Jotform activities, giving you quick access to your forms, submissions, and other important features. It's where you'll find everything you need to organize and control your form data. Next, click on My Forms. This will display all the forms you've created in your account. Take a moment to locate the specific form whose submissions you want to delete. Once you've found it, check the box next to that form to select it. After selecting the form, you'll see several options appear at the top of the page. Click on Submissions. This will take you directly to all the responses that have been collected for that particular form. You'll now see a list of all the submissions for your selected form. Each submission will have a checkbox on the left side. Click the checkbox next to the submission you want to delete. You can select multiple submissions if you need to delete more than one at a time, making the process much faster when you're clearing out old or irrelevant data. Once you've selected the submission or submissions you want to remove, look toward the upper right corner of the page. You'll find a button labeled Delete. Click on it to proceed with removing the selected submissions from your form. This action prepares the submissions to be moved out of your active workspace. A confirmation prompt will appear asking you to verify your decision. Click on Move to Trash to confirm. This step ensures that you don't accidentally delete important data. The submissions will now be moved to your trash folder, where they'll remain for a period of time before being permanently deleted. If you realize you've made a mistake, you can still recover them from the trash before they're gone for good. And that's it. You've successfully deleted form submissions in Jotform, helping you maintain a cleaner and more organized workspace. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.